A school fair event is a gathering organized by a school to showcase the talents, achievements, and activities of students. These events are typically open to students, parents, teachers, and the local community. School fairs serve various purposes, including promoting school spirit, encouraging student participation, fostering community engagement, and raising funds for school programs or projects. A smoke alarm is a device designed to detect and alert people to the presence of smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. These devices are essential for fire safety in homes, offices, and other buildings. The primary purpose of a smoke alarm is to provide early warning in the event of a fire. It seems like you meant sensor instead of sensor. If you're interested in an automatic trash can that uses sensors, you're referring to a touchless or motion-activated trash can. These types of trash cans are equipped with sensors to detect motion or proximity, allowing users to dispose of waste. An automatic bolt using a solenoid is a device that utilizes an electromagnetic solenoid to control the movement of a bolt or latch. Solenoids are devices that convert electrical energy into mechanical motion when an electric current is applied. Fingerprint sensor. Choose a fingerprint sensor module that suits your requirements. There are various fingerprint sensor modules available in the market that can easily interface with microcontrollers or other control systems. This type of computer setup typically lacks a traditional enclosed case, exposing the internal components for aesthetic or functional purposes. A mechanical keyboard is a type of keyboard that uses individual mechanical switches for each key. Unlike traditional membrane keyboards that rely on a pressure pad under the keys, mechanical keyboards register key presses with physical switches. An infinity mirror is an optical illusion that creates the illusion of an infinite number of reflections between two parallel mirrors. This effect is achieved by placing a light source and a partially reflective mirror on one side and a fully reflective mirror on the other side. Creating an automatic trash can using a sensor involves integrating a sensor that detects motion or proximity to trigger the opening and closing of the lid. Choose a motion sensor suitable for your project. Infrared IR and ultrasonic sensors are commonly used for motion detection. IR sensors detect heat signatures, while ultrasonic sensors use sound waves.
Sagad may oras lang eh. Parang ang dami lang nila sa labas eh.
Well, this idea of reading in general, if you can do that, then you can produce an agent that helps a student like a one-on-one tutor would. You know, there's no
Di pa rin tama.
Ito sensor ko. So kahit saan siya
Di pa rin tama.
ito sensor ko. So kahit saan siya
Kailan ako sila yung skeptics?
Uy, President,
ano yan? Binibenta yung keyboard.
Hindi. Saan pa kayo kita? Mga kaibigan na namin.
Taga saan yan?
ICT po, grade 12.
Ah,
Pag nawalang emails mo
To take on a complex problem, a deep connection, and become a specialist on it. If you make it the focus of your career, that would be phenomenal. But you don't have to do that to make an impact. For a few hours every week, use the blank column on the internet.
Ay, binigyan tayo na, papahuli kita ka.
practice.
Papahuli ka pa, Jensen?
Creating a traffic light system using Arduino is a fun and educational project that can help you understand the basics of programming and working with hardware. Set up the circuit. Connect the LEDs to the Arduino using the breadboard and jumper wires. Use resistors to limit the current flowing through each LED. Connect the longer leg anode of each LED to a digital pin on the Arduino and the shorter leg cathode to the ground GND pin. Creating an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser using a sensor involves integrating a sensor to detect the presence of hands and trigger the dispensing of sanitizer. Here's a basic guide on how you might build an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser using an infrared IR or ultrasonic sensor. Creating an infinity mirror is a captivating and visually striking project that involves creating an optical illusion of an endless tunnel of reflections. A ring light is a circular-shaped light source that is commonly used in photography, videography, and makeup applications to achieve even and flattering lighting. It provides a soft, uniform illumination with reduced shadows, especially when capturing portraits or close-up shots. A skeletal or open-frame desktop computer refers to a computer system that lacks a traditional enclosed face, leaving the internal components exposed and visible. This type of setup is often chosen for its unique aesthetic appeal and improved cooling characteristics. Creating an automatic bolt using a solenoid involves using an electromagnetic solenoid to control the movement of a bolt or latch. Solenoids are devices that convert electrical energy into mechanical motion when an electric current is applied. Creating a sensor-controlled trash can involve using a sensor to detect the presence of an object such as a hand or trash, and automatically open the lid for convenient and hands-free use. A mechanical keyboard is a type of keyboard that uses individual mechanical switches for each key, as opposed to the rubber dome switches used in most traditional keyboards. Mechanical keyboards have become popular for various reasons, including their durability. Building a line-following robot is a popular an educational project that involves using sensors to detect and follow a line on the ground. The robot is programmed to adjust its movement based on the feedback from the sensors to stay on the desired path. Building an obstacle avoidance robot involves using sensors to detect obstacles in its path and programming it to navigate around them. Creating a fingerprint-controlled bolt involves using a fingerprint sensor to authenticate users and control the locking and unlocking mechanism of a bolt or lock. Always consider security and reliability when implementing access control systems. Use advanced fingerprint sensor modules that support secure enrollment and verification processes to enhance the security of your fingerprint-controlled bolt.
Di pa rin tama.